Looking for the next evolution in wireless audio? Meet the Apple AirPods 4, blending premium sound, smarter features, and all-day comfort in a sleek new design. With advanced adaptive audio, improved noise control, and deeper bass, they deliver a truly immersive experience. Powered by the H2 chip for seamless Apple ecosystem integration, the AirPods 4 take everyday listening to the next level. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Apple AirPods 4, USB-C charging case, and the documentation pamphlet. Want to grab the Apple AirPods 4 from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Smart features? Experience a deeper, more precise noise reduction that adapts in real time, letting you enjoy your music without distractions anywhere you go. Built tougher than ever, the AirPods 4 can handle sweat, splashes, and dust perfect for workouts or outdoor adventures. Enjoy hours of continuous playback with faster wireless charging and optimized power efficiency for longer listening sessions. It offers real-time language translation, letting you understand and communicate instantly. Paired with your iPhone, they make cross-language conversations smooth and effortless. Delivers richer, more detailed sound with deeper bass and clearer vocals, while the adaptive transparency mode intelligently reduces harsh environmental noise, keeping your listening natural and balanced wherever you are. Specifications. How to pair. Open your phone's settings and enable Bluetooth. This allows your phone to search for and pair with wireless devices. Ensure it's not connected to other Bluetooth audio devices. Open the lid of the MagSafe charging case with the AirPods inside and bring it close to your iPhone or iPad. A setup card will automatically appear on your screen. Tap Connect to begin pairing. The AirPods will then link instantly with your device and your Apple ID. On your device's Bluetooth list, tap Apple AirPods 4 to connect. After a moment, you'll hear a chime confirming the connection, and your AirPods will be ready to use automatically whenever you open the case near your device. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Open the lid or tap the case to see the status light. Amber means the AirPods or case need charging, while green means they're fully charged. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a Qi-compatible or MagSafe wireless charging pad. Ensure the indicator light turns on to confirm charging has started. It's a quick and convenient way to power up your AirPods without using cables. How to clean. Gently wipe your AirPods 4 with a soft, dry, lint-free cloth to remove dust and oil. If necessary, slightly dampen the cloth with water, but avoid getting moisture into the speaker mesh or charging ports. This step helps keep the outer surface clean and ready for deeper care. Use a dry cotton swab or a soft bristled brush to gently remove dirt or earwax from the speaker grills and microphones. Move in small, circular motions and never insert sharp tools or liquids. Keeping the mesh clear helps maintain audio clarity and noise control performance. Wipe the inside and outside of the charging case with a dry, lint-free cloth. For tight spots like the hinge or charging contacts, use a soft brush to remove debris. Ensure the case and AirPods are fully dry before placing them back together or connecting to power. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Apple AirPods 4. See you in the next one.